Yeah? I have something cool for you. Whoa, really? Yeah. Look. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're welcome. Hi, Roadrunner. How are you doing with my sister? Oh, good. Yeah, she's having fun with a gift. Oh, really? Wow, okay. Yeah. Hey, can I keep it? Oh, okay. You can. Yay! We're gonna have fun today. 9 minutes later. Never learned. That's better. Good morning, stuffed animal. Wait, what? Where did it go? Oh, you see? I just take it away. You take it away? Oh no. Don't worry. I'll get something for you. Give it to... Oh yeah, this might be better. Wait. Huh? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Hug. Ding.